Babawadde.
Your Excellency, sir, on behalf of Olilim Training School and on my own behalf, it's a great honor and privilege to welcome you and everybody present to Olilim Training School on this occasion of passing out LDP trainees of intake 09/2223. Sir, this day marks the close of basic military training for local defense unit course intake 9/2223. These young men and women before you, sir, began their course way back on 17th August 2022 with a total of 4,303. Among them, 697 were female. Sir, as the course progressed, 91 trainees dropped out from the course due to various reasons. Today, sir, it's my honor and gratitude to present to you 4,212 young, well-trained and disciplined Ugandans who have attended and successfully completed 58 weeks of basic military training ready for pass out.
Even Jesus, when he came, he said, he has not brought peace, but he has brought a sword, where a son will turn against his father, a tribe will turn against a tribe, nation against a nation. So not until he comes back, that's when we shall see peace. But as of now, so long as he's not yet back, we have to prepare for war all the time. Therefore, Your Excellency, we shall keep on presenting to you young people like these ones to continue with the mission of keeping peace and security in our country. You must take this day very serious in your lives, because it is not an ordinary day in your lives. What you need to remember in this journey, which you are starting now, a journey like me, I started it 37 years ago. 37 years from now, for you, will be 2060. Ask yourself, what will you be by 2060? For me, after 37 years, I'm a Lieutenant General, and I'm a Deputy CDF, but also a Member of Parliament. What about you as you start your journey? You need to take note of this. One, the army is not a job. If you came looking for a job in the military, this is not a job. It is a service to our people, and a service that demands sacrifice at all times. Remove anything called job in whatever you have started today, because there is nobody who can pay for your life. Nobody in this world can pay for your life. You have decided to give your lives for the people of Uganda, not only Uganda, but of Africa and the world. Please remember that. Then you will be able to walk like me for 37 years without any problems. 2, run away from the desires of this world. Run away from the desires of your body, your flesh. Women, drinking, soft life, vehicles, what? Riches. Run away from them, because they will lead you to disgrace and at worst, death. Focus on your calling, because the military is a calling. Focus on your job. That's what you must focus on. Forget about these other things. You will get whatever you deserve to get. Don't go for what is not yours. Otherwise, you will be in trouble. The other thing that you need to take note, respect the civilians. For it is the reason we are serving. Without them, we are as good as useless. We must serve them diligently and with humility. The other thing, maintain both military and personal discipline, for that is where your future lies. It's about your discipline, personal and military. When you focus on that, you will be able to live a long life in your service of this country.
On behalf of the Minister of Defense and Veteran Affairs and the Uganda People's Defense Forces Fraternity, allow me, Your Excellency, to welcome you and thank you very much for finding time from your very busy schedule to come and officiate at this pass-out ceremony of 4,212 trainees.
Ladies and gentlemen, the importance and need for peace and security in the socio-economic transformation process cannot be overemphasized. Allow me, therefore, Your Excellency, to thank you for professionalizing the UPDF and all other armed forces, an endeavor which has resulted into total stability of our country from north to south and east to west. Secondly, Your Excellency, in addition to ensuring that Uganda's national security is peaceful, you have championed the extension of support to our brothers in a number of African countries, e.g. South Sudan, Somalia, DRC, etc., alongside your counterparts from the regional blocs and the AU. This has resulted into market access of Ugandan products to the region and the continent, as Ugandans continue to embrace export promotion, a trend that has resulted to a sustainable growth of our economy. Your Excellency, on the matter of cattle thefts by our uncles, I would like to say, for today, thank you very much for the quietness which is currently prevailing right inside Karamoja itself, but also in all neighboring areas. How did I know this, Your Excellency? You sent us to Katakwi with the Minister Haruna Kasoro last week, and while interacting with members of the community, they confessed that they have been sleeping peacefully for the last few months. And also, they had not registered a theft of cows for the last few months. And this was revealed to us, Your Excellency, in Musuk sub-county, where we met the people from Musuk County.
And I also want to congratulate the Ugandans because you are really moving in terms of building institutions.
Akota ngadai no ino shalamikin no ko akwap no Uganda, no ino kulepeke Uganda, ano ni asipoin institutions kwa talu.
You heard that these young people are 4,212.
Opateso pumutu bidwe luweja singare nok, rai lukuminu ongon, ilukuminu ongon kwa tare, itomanare.
Now, all of them, except 3, have got at least O-level certificate.
Kesi kere idimi unibon edumutos a certificate singunwa no S4.
Only 3 were from primary living.
Unibon era singunwe jasa kada a certificate na P7.
And 500 of them are graduates.
Akwatakanyi otunga ituga isa palise zinete zongarene kada pesur era luenge taitosa ishome degree lo university.
One of the boys who got a prize here, Mujimba,
Edo pesa patlo goduma na kineta ne ekiro Mujimba
has got a degree in industrial chemistry.
Edo mutu wale degree ashomana waka industrial chemistry.
So therefore, now, so don't scatter resources and fail to show our people what excellence means. On the issue of the insecurity that was going on here,
Anukwa ni kamanara kada krono ayo waro nane.
there is what the Manyankore call okunyata, or Baganda call it okuliamaruma. When you eat food without sauce, what do you call it in Ateso?
I bang.
Huh?
I bang.
I bang.
Ebo.
Yes, the commanders here were I banging the enemy. These are nothing.
Mamnerara idiobore.
They are very easy to deal with.
E patana itemo na tioni squatangin.
But some of the commanders don't know that if you eat food without sauce, it can even kill you. It can choke you in the throat. So they would tire soldiers, following the soldiers, indisciplined people on foot. That's wasting soldiers' time.
Teja kwa nake sarali moti kiarin boto patani totosi lo surupine lito toskeda itukune atupita ichanchana pakini kiarin.
And yet there is so much capacity in the system which they were not using.
Konyi puiboro lue pedoreti kwa nake si aito som anoite mwe na tioni singing.
You can even these indisciplined characters were even going and staying in the wilderness, in the bush. So I had a meeting in Balaga with all these people.
Abuenga sipo ke meeting keda ngulu etapa setoni angina olango.
And I said, and I said, please stop eye-banging these people.
Then abuenga limo kesi opalasai bangi tungalu.
You must have sauce.
Ekotokwa nesi arera hata pigwa ektosa supu ne ngare dia.
You also put in salt.
Igwa ekisa munyuda.
Because if you don't put salt, banyankole say it is ebinyiga.
Imam jigwa ekina munyu.
What do you call it in Atendese when you eat food without salt?
Epiana.
Huh?
Epiana.
Epiana.
Yeah, epiana.
So I bang epiana.
Imam jigwa ekina munyu dia. Dumunyo epiana dia.
Because they were just wasting soldiers' time.
Outasai chanchana pakini kiari noi.
By not using this capacity, that capacity there, they don't use it. They just use fatanyayo.
Mamulu etosoma etekwa nacho angin na kwa ne jataraji ro ko be patana ti kwa na ajin lo surup dadu atupa na ngeta na kirongo na tipe jacho asine che ngun.
That issue is finished.